everybody. Today in maths we're going to be looking at number bonds of 10, so two numbers that make 10. And we're going to be using NumberCon today, and we'll look at part whole models, and I'll use my pegs and hanger as well. So first things first, I'm going to pick up my tens frame Numicon. So this one has got 10 holes in, okay? And I'm going to pick another piece of Numicon and place it on top of this Numicon piece. So the number I'm going to choose is this. Okay, let's count. And I'm going to count in twos because it's quicker and easier, and we did that last week. 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 8. Okay, so that's our first number, 8. Okay. So I need another number to add to it to make 10. I wonder if you know what it is by looking at the Numicon. So 8 holes are covered. Okay, how many are not covered in green? That's right, 2. We've got 8 and 2 makes 10. Fantastic, let's try another one. I'm going to keep my 10 Numicon here. And I'm going to pick another one from my box. I'm going to pick this one. Which number does this represent? 6. There are 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 and something makes 10. What's that number? 6 and, count the dark blue holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 4 makes 10. Well done. Let's do it again. Let's have this little one here. Just 3, the number 3. I'm going to put that one at the bottom. Okay, so we've got 3 and something that makes 10. Did you get it that time? 3 and something makes 10. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 7 make 10. Okay, well done. This time I've got my whiteboard and pen, and I would like you to try and write the number calculations that I make with the Numicon. Okay, so I'm going to keep my Numicon 10, and I'm going to put in this number. That's right, it's 5. Put it right at the bottom. Okay, 5 and something makes 10. So I've got my whiteboard and pen here. Have a go, see if you can write the number sentence to match my number bond of 10 that I have represented with my Numicon. Great, let's put that down so I can write it. We had 5 and we had another 5. We had 5 and another 5 here. Put it on top. It's all covered and that makes 10. So 5 and 5 equals 10. Okay, let's move on to our pegs now. Keep your whiteboard and pen or your pen and paper. On my hanger I've got 10 yellow pegs. I'm going to create number bonds of 10 using these. I'm going to put some pegs to this side and some pegs to that side, and I want you to write the number calculation that I've made. Okay, so on this side I'm going to put that many, and on this side I'm going to put that many. So I have something, add something equals 10. My number calculation. I have 3, add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 10. Let's check against mine. Did you get that? Let's find the rubber. I have 3, add 7 equals 10. And watch this. I turn it around, I could do another number calculation without having to move the pegs. What number calculation could I do? That's right, the numbers just have to flip around. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 3. That makes 10. So I've just swapped these numbers around. 7 and 3 equals 10. Marvellous. Let's do one more with the pegs. I'm going to put them all back over here. And I'm going to move some over that way. Okay, can you see? Try that number calculation of 10. 4, fabulous. Add, how many is on this side? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 and 6 makes 10. And as a number calculation written down, that looks like this. 4 add 6 equals 10. Make sure your number formation is accurate. Make sure it's the right way around like we practiced last week. Okay, and we'll have a go. Watch this. Switch it round. Oh, we've made another number bond of 10 without having to move the pegs. We've switched the numbers round. So 6 and 4 equals 10. Can you have a go at writing that as a number calculation to 10? 6 and 4 equals 10. You could do this at home or in school with 10 objects. It could be any objects. It could be pasta tubes. I've done that at home with Isla. It could be little counters. It could be toys. It could be LOLs. All you need is 10 and to separate them in 2 piles and to create your number calculations that way. Another way to do it is a part-whole model. So we have the whole number here, which would be 10, and the 2 numbers that make 10 there. Okay, so we've done 5 and 5, which would go in there as the numbers. So see if you could have a go at part-whole models or some number calculations of number bonds to 10 as well. See you tomorrow.